What's going on, guys? It's Doss. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the recently revealed incredible 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor. So let's get right into this video. In the mid-90s, just before Ford stopped the production of the Bronco, it was basically just a shortened F-150 chassis sculpted to look like an SUV. 26 years later, in 2021, Ford revived the Bronco name with two very different models, one being the Ford Bronco Sport, which was heavily based off of the Escape platform, and the much larger Ford Bronco, which featured a two-door version and a four-door version, which was built to compete pretty much directly with the Jeep Wrangler. To make this incredibly easy to compare to the Bronco Raptor, we're going to be talking about the standard equipment for the current Bronco that's for sale right now. I'm talking about standard, like you're just looking at a brand new Bronco. You haven't done no box checking action yet. So standard for the 21 model year, you got four-wheel drive with an electric two-speed transfer case with the 272 to low ratio, powered by a nice 2.3 liter inline four-cylinder engine bolted right on the front of a manual transmission. 16-inch steel wheels wrapped in all seasonal tires, and your 8-inch display right there in the center of that control stack right there. So with all that said, let's turn and take a look at the newest trim level edition of the Ford Bronco, the Ford Bronco Raptor. Knowing the Raptor name is just a much more capable version of the already capable vehicle that Ford provides to us. So you already know this Raptor Bronco or Bronco Raptor is going to be all types of twists and turns over the regular version, at least is what we're expecting, right? The Bronco Raptor will be released, if not already, by the time I'm dropping this video. It'll be released for the 2022 model year very soon, starting at 69 grand. So I don't know if there's any more options you can put on the Bronco Raptor. I don't know if it's like, I'm pretty sure it's just the trim level itself, obviously, because it's still a Bronco basically, but that is insane pricing. 69 grand, dude. So about 70 grand if you're looking at one of these Bronco Raptors. So let's go ahead and talk about the styling for a second. Even though the Bronco still has amazing styling and kind of takes heritage back to the really old Bronco, like back in the 60s with the circle headlights and features in front and all that stuff. But it's pretty cool because these wide fenders to accommodate these massive 37-inch tires that you're looking at right here. They actually added more fenders, like nice and brawny looking, and it just looks a little bit better. Those are actually different fenders from the standard Bronco, but it's just something that just, I don't understand why these off-roader vehicles have to have so much black. If this entire thing was body colored to this orange or white or whatever, like these giant plastic black fenders, come on, man, like just paint that orange or whatever the color. If the whole thing was body colored, that would be awesome, and it would just look so much better. Anyway, let's get right back to the stats and everything about this Raptor. So not only is the look going to be advanced for off-roading experience and techniques and whatnot, but it's going to be featuring a 400 plus horsepower twin turbo 3.0 liter V6. Like I said before, I mentioned the 37-inch tires, which are already optional on the next generation F-150 Raptor. They're going to be optional on, well, I think there's going to be standard equipment on the Bronco Raptor. It's going to be hiding up under those massive, huge black fenders I was just complaining about. They were body colored. It would just be so nice. Incredibly efficient 10-speed automatic transmission that's already in the regular Bronco will be available in the Bronco Raptor. Obviously, it's ready to tow 4,500 pounds. And of course, your suspension is beefed up as well in case you want to take your journey, your off-road journey at faster, higher speeds and not have to worry about too many shocks blowing out. You do get your adaptive dampers right here, right? Your Fox shocks, okay? I think they're pretty much going to be the same ones that are on the F-150 Raptor, probably a little bit smaller just to accommodate, you know, everything that's down there because it is a smaller vehicle in size, so it may not be the exact same, but the setup is going to be similar to the outgoing F-150 Raptor right now, so no worries about that. I'm sure you have your skid plates and all that stuff, and this is probably going to be the most expensive trim level. But that's pretty much all the new details that I have right now for this Bronco Raptor. This thing looks incredible, but like I said, body color is the key. I would love for everything on there to be pretty much, the wheels can stay black or whatever they are, but man, dude, just body color is the key. I love the massive beefy skid plates with the tires and the nice brawny, just the huge fenders, and even the recovery toe hooks in the front. Seems like you still get all your nice signature LED and even the marker lights on the front. There is an available front camera, so you can see what's going on right underneath your nose and things like that, right? Same mirrors and stuff like that. You have a antenna that comes right up out of the base of the fender right there, so that might be needing for removal when you do go off-roading and whatnot. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's it.